Alright, welcome back to the channel. On this video, we're going to be detailing this Infiniti S3.0t. As you can see, quite a bit of traffic film down the side of the vehicle. Appears to be some overspray right there. Not sure if y'all can see that line. We're going to inform the customer. We're going to see if we can schedule a polish job on it to take care of that. As you can see, Infiniti. Rubber mat saved the day on this one. Got some money in a card. I'll set that up there. It looks like more just the cracks of the seat. Yeah, it looks like it's all in the cracks of the seats. Some sand and tools and things like that down there on the floor. Charger. Bottles of water. Card. Another $1. Set it all up there. And we'll start the cleanup process. And we'll bring you guys back in just a moment. All right, so here it is. We're finally done with this Infiniti. As you can see, this S3.0t is looking real good, guys. Let's check it out. Let's step back and check it out. All right, we found $28 under the passenger seat, so we set that to the side for my customer. As you can see, nice and clean around the dash area, steering column, steering wheel, paper mats installed. The Bermuda triangle is extremely clean. As you can see, no more debris inside of the cracks of the seats. As you can see, cup holders nice and clean. Door panels nice and clean, as you can see. Floor mats all cleaned up. Leather conditioning. As you can see, dash nice and clean. Paper mats installed on the passenger side as well. No more buildup and debris down in the cracks of the seat. But the main one was this one back here. There was a lot of debris all across the seat right here. But as you can see, we definitely took care of it. My customer will be extremely satisfied with these services. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.